Hello. Today we're gonna be doing a room makeover. Video I'm gonna be doing a room makeover. It's not necessarily a room makeover, but it's a wall makeover because I've made over this wall so many times, but I am still so unsatisfied. Wow, it reminds me a little bit of him.
I'm so funny.
Anyways, today's video is making over this wall. I've done a video like this before. Go check it out, link up in the eye. She's okay now, like honestly, but because I have nothing to do besides make over my wall, I mean, I might as well do it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy and be sure to give it a like if you do. And without further ado, let's get started. Hello, we are going to talk about my wall right now because you may be thinking, it's not even that bad. Well, it is. First off, look at this. I'm not 16 anymore. I turned 17 on March 3rd. Woo! So all of this is just a lie. And then over here is ass.
Double cheeked up on a Thursday afternoon.
JK, JK. But over here, all my pins and stuff and like the 2 awards, they're cute, I guess. But it's just not cute enough. It's just not doing it for me, basically. So let's get on to taking this off. Also, that is a hot dog costume. On step number 2, which is printing and doing all of the collage stuff for my wall. I'm gonna be looking on Pinterest to print a bunch of stuff, so I will be back with all of those printed. Hello, so it is 8 o'clock. It literally took forever. I think I started this at like 1. It's already 8 and I haven't done anything. I've just been waiting for my rigging papers. But yeah, I just printed a bunch of motivational quotes as well as pictures of New York and like aesthetic pictures. Make sure to go follow me on my Pinterest if you want to see, JK, you can't see it, but you know, if you want to get some inspiration for your wall decor, then I'll link my Pinterest. Why'd I say it like that? My Pinterest here on the screen. I think I'm just gonna cut these out and then I will be putting it on the wall, okay? Okay. Okay, so this is what it looks like after day 1. I don't think I'm gonna fill the whole wall, but I'm definitely gonna fill most of the wall. So this is what it is as of right now. I literally used 40 pages of paper, and not gonna lie, I don't like that. That is a lot of paper going to waste. So I'm gonna try to figure out any ways of using like stuff that I already have and just putting it on the wall. Right now it looks pretty cute and I would leave it like that. It's just this bottom part. The bottom part is kind of making me feel weird. I do have some ideas on how to fix that, but that will have to be tomorrow because it's already like 9:40. Hello. So it's the next day. When I was sleeping, I was kind of looking at it and I think it's actually kind of done. It doesn't look finished, but I think that's a part of the appeal, if you know what I mean. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just coloring some Harry Styles sheets that I found off of TikTok. I will leave the link to them down below. Creds to the girl who made all of these. You are a queen. She makes coloring books. That's probably really annoying, but she makes coloring books online on TikTok and they're absolutely gorgeous. So, and I am coloring them right now, but yes. I think I'm just gonna color them and then cut them out and then kind of stick them on the edges that look a little bit too straight so that it kind of looks like I just like threw up on the wall, if you know what I mean. That sounds really gross. Please don't throw up on your walls. Should I do a time lapse? I'll do a time lapse, I guess. I'm currently watching Lena Lifts. Highly recommend her channel. She does a lot of fitness videos and a lot of NYU videos, which both I personally enjoy. So subscribe to her and subscribe to me if you haven't already. You're already in this video like what, 3 minutes, baby? Might as well subscribe, girl. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a like and let's continue on with what we were doing. So I look a little rough, but it looks kind of cool. So I see these like flag things on Pinterest, but I don't want to make my mom spend money on just a random piece of fabric when I have random pieces of fabric at home that I never use. And I thought the bandana would be like a cool opportunity. And plus I didn't want to buy a stick. And I have these random drumsticks. My dad fixed one of the Blue Man Group drummer's cars before, so we got to go to a show for free and then he gave me his drumsticks after, but that was like in 5th grade and my fantasy with the Blue Man Group has faded, so no fanfics of those right now. So I'd rather do this. I think it's gonna look really cool up there. Hello, so it is the next day and I put my hair in braids. I look like the iCarly episode where she fights Shelby. And I just hung up my little pin flag. I've recently been obsessed with Lady Bird and Little Women, both films by Greta Gerwig. I kind of identify with both Joe and Lady Bird, so I wanted to print some of the scenes from those movies and put them on my wall. I also have some pictures of me as well as some of my friends, namely Amanda. Shout out to you, homie. And I wanted to put them on my wall. Yesterday, I also finished like cutting and doing all this, and I'm just gonna put these like on the borders. This is Harry Styles from when he was in the Sign of the Times music video. And then this is inspired by Canyon Moon. Love the song, and like I like the idea of tie-dye skies. And this one is kind of like really good. It looks like Shark Tank up here, but then Harry Styles down there, you know. This one, don't you call me baby. And then this one, I cut out the lyrics, but I'm guessing woman or she. I really want to dye my hair pink. I've been seeing everyone dyeing their hair pink, but you know, my Asian mother said no. So we're gonna settle with this in my room. She's looking kinda cute. Ooh, she looks. I just have to extend more up until that corner, and then maybe have something flow into here. Okay, so I cut out all my new pictures and I will be sticking them on the wall. This is some stupid stuff, but if I were to name my kid Joe, like Joe March from Little Women, I would literally be Joe Mama. Thank you.
2, 3, funky.
That was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then make sure to give it a like. If you like this sort of content, then make sure to subscribe. I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos, and I post every Sunday and Thursday. I hope you guys are having a good day or had a good day, and peace.